Hey there everyone, it's Helen from Sephora Collection, and today I have an amazing new launch to show you. It is our Lip Stories Natural Wonders. We have tons of lip stories, as you probably already know. They are all under 10 bucks, which is super cool. I'm gonna try some different ones on for you. So some from our core line that we've had for a while, and then at the end, I will show you a swatch of all the new shades that we have. So let's get started. To prep, I'm going to start off with our Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer in number 8. And I'm going to use the number 45 Pro Concealer brush. This just really helps with making sure you have definition around your lip, especially if you're using a brighter color. It just helps to define the lip a little bit more. So use it lightly around the edges of your lip. And I chose number 45 because it does have this like flat, sharper edge, so you can really be pretty precise about it. And you can see this shade is it's a tiny bit lighter than my skin tone, which is good because I'm trying to draw attention to my lips. First, I'm going to try on the Sephora Collection Lip Stories in 76 Autumn Blaze in the Lip Stories Natural Wonders, part of our brand new collection. I chose this color because it has this really nice kind of like rust tone to it. Looks good on any skin tone, which is nice. And I always go from the middle out to make my lips look a little bit more round, but if you are more of a person who likes that bow shape, then start from the bottom. You can see they're super duper pigmented and creamy, which I love. And this one is actually a matte formula, so it goes on really creamy, but then it dries down a little bit to appear more matte, which I love. I think it's just a really easy to wear. It feels really comfortable too for a matte. One of the things that I love about Lip Stories is that it comes in 3 finishes. So we have matte, we have satin, and we also have metal. I really love to use the metal as toppers. So I'm going to use number 72 Sand Blasted as the topper over the Autumn Blaze that I just put on. With the metal finishes, I like to pop them over top of a lip color, especially mattes, just to make them pop even more or add a sparkle. You can totally wear these alone if you want. There are certain ones that come in like pink shades. This one, because it's gold, I like to use it as a topper. And I'm gonna focus it on the center of my lip. And that'll give the illusion of having like a, more plump lip right in the center. So you can see the metallic finish really adds an extra pop to the matte shades, and it does transform really any color that you're wearing. So since I started with more of a rust red tone, I'm going to move into more of a true red. This is Lip Stories number 22, A Little Magic. And this one is also a matte finish. And you can see I'm kind of applying it back and forth, and that's really just because I want to make sure I get a clean line on the top line. But I'll do a sweep across so you can really see the opacity and the payoff you get. Oh! Some people are such experts at applying lip color, but everybody messes up a little bit. It's okay. So now I've shown you 2 reds, and I'm going to jump into some nudes. I'm going to try on number 6 Tan Lines. This one is really a true nude shade, and it's in our cream formula. So you can see this is like a little bit more shiny because the formula is a little different. I like this one in particular because it has a little bit of pink to it, so it doesn't go completely flat against a more fair skin tone. Next up is our top seller, We. This is a really great like pink nude shade, and you can see I also used this one a bunch. It just looks really good on everyone. This is also in a cream formula. Another thing that I love about Lip Stories is that we have a bajillion wild shades, and this is number 50 Trippin'. It's some of my favorite packaging. It's just so cute and pretty. So this one is also in a matte formulation, and it's just a really cool color. The best thing about these is that they're only $9, so why not try something that is like a wild shade? If you've always wanted to try something different but didn't want to spend a lot of money on experimental things, this is a great way. I really love to wear different like funky colors to concerts, and I just will create like an entire look around a pastel lip. I love doing that. Even throwing on like pastel eyeliner with this is, you know, totally my jam. So now I'm going to jump into more of a classic shade, a hot pink, just to show you again the wide array of shades that we have. This is number 12, Celebrate. I really like this shade of pink because it has a slight like purpley undertone to it. And this is again in the matte formulation. And sometimes when you fix your makeup and with your pinky and then you use your pinky as an anchor, you get it a little on your chin. So, you know. These are the new Natural Wonders shades. This is all the way from 72 all the way down to 78. And that is it for Lip Stories. I hope this gets you to try on something new, maybe even something funky, who knows? Let me know what you try on in the comments below, and until next time, bye!